Going on this. Give that a toss out there. Well, I had one strike at it. He's right there still. Little guy. Looks like this is what's gonna work today. There it is. First fish of the day. Yep, and he jumped off. He wants to hit it, but he knows it's big. You see the size of this fish? That's the worm. Look, he yanked his damn jaw off. It's okay, little guy. You go back home. He's pretty. Send him home. And he's gone. Just like that. The jack spot. Look at all that. All that. Maybe I can. Oh, there it is. Stay down. Come on. There it is. Oh, she's feisty. GoPro, take photo. Oh yeah. There she is. Got this one on a drop shot? So long. You were good to me. You got 2 fish. 3 fish actually. Good day. I caught a bluegill on a drop shot. And that is the ending of today.